Now that you've mastered building lists in SwiftFox, let's explore the different ways you can put them to work. From the Action Stepper, you'll see a range of options for using your lists. Export results into a CSV file for reporting, exclude records from another list, create a bulk mail merge document, or apply a bulk custom field update, perfect for managing data quickly. When building an email, the Recipient Stepper lets you select a list. User-friendly tags make it easy to see whether you're choosing a fixed or live list. Need to make changes before sending? Simply select Edit in Lists to adjust on the fly. In the Audience Stepper of the Calls feature, you can add a fixed or live list to power through a call campaign. You can still add individuals manually, but lists keep things fast and efficient when working with large groups. When setting up a text campaign, simply select your list to send a bulk SMS. This is especially useful for events, reminders, or quick campaign updates. Just like with calls, you can add individuals or entire lists to your event invite list. Using lists here makes it simple to capture a large audience and manage attendees with ease. There are plenty of ways to put your lists to use across SwiftFox, giving you the power to target the right contacts with the right action at the right time. Thanks for watching and happy list building.